I'm Gemma and this is my sister-in-law Fanny, who is married to my older brother. And together we run a business called Shed 11, where we upcycle well-made furniture.
Yes, we've been doing this in Sydney's Upper North Shore for 3 years now. And we operate out of our studios in St Ives. We're a home-based business.
So our business works in a number of ways. We salvage furniture ourselves, sometimes from the side of the street, often from Facebook or Gumtree Marketplace. Occasionally we often will go up to the Kimbriki Resource Centre. We see a piece and we can see the potential.
We have the vision to see a second life in each piece of furniture.
And we're saving it from landfill.
Yes, we're always saving from landfill.
It's such a shame to us that some of these pieces, and we've found amazing historical pieces. We're delighted actually how well received we've been by the community, and from our inception in 2017 we would have saved well over 1,000 pieces from landfill. And we've held a number of formal workshops. We've been down to Geelong and to Melbourne to hold workshops, and we've done a few locally. And part of our plan for this year, start regular local workshops. I'm inspired by local fauna, and I love to bring the colours and the designs into some of my work. I also, for a furniture painter, love timber, so I like to keep a little bit of timber in some of the pieces, just complements the colours that I like to use. We're really fortunate to be part of the Better Business Partnership. It's introduced us to a community of like-minded businesses, and we just think that we're stronger as a community. We're big believers in collaboration, and we've met some amazing people through the Better Business Partnership already, and hope to make more connections.
And I would say also we're being educated by the Better Business Partnership, because when you start this relationship, you receive a lot of information and a lot of feedback from the lovely people that work there.
I think having the Better Business Partnership badges, it really kind of legitimises what we're doing and shows our commitment to sustainability across our whole business, not just in the furniture side of things, but in the sourcing and the materials that we use on a day-to-day basis.